family pots. On here we're going to be teaching you how to test volts, amps and ohms on a circuit. First off, when you're doing any kind of work on a bus or any vehicle, you have to start with PPE. That will include the overalls, boots, gloves, high vis if you're outside, hard hat if you're underneath the vehicle, and glasses if necessary. And if you are working on a vehicle, it's important to use your PPE. So, for instance, you have to have your steering wheel cover, you have to have your wheel chocks, and if you have them, have trim panel covers to protect the vehicle from any dirt. So, first of all, we've got a multimeter, and the way to test the volts on the multimeter is you have your black COM wire plugged in, and you have the red wire connected to the area that will say V for volts, the omega symbol for ohms, and hertz. And then you turn it on to DC volts. If you turn it on to AC, you will not be able to read this, as it is an alternating current, and all vehicles are measured in DC, apart from the alternator. So, to start, I'm just going to simply connect the red wire onto the red connector on the jump start, and the black wire to the earth. Make sure the earth is well away and is secure. Ready for it. So now I'm going to turn the multimeter on, turn the boost back on to get a voltage reading. And as you can see, this is reading 26 volts in DC. Okay.
The next test I'm going to do with this multimeter is to check the ampage, and by doing so, it's important to obviously move the red connector onto the side that says ampage. That is fused, and obviously you can check it under these symbols. So now for the ampage, when I plug that in there, I'm going to set the multimeter to the ampage to check the amps. And it's important when checking ampage that the multimeter is connected in series as a part of the circuit, like a fuse would, to read the correct ampage. So what we have here is the light goes into the negative side of the power supply. The multimeter is from the light, and then the other wire for the multimeter goes to the other connection for the power supply. By connecting it in series, you could then see how we can read the ampage flowing through the circuit. At the moment, because it's an LED, it's 0.1 amps, and that's because the LED is a light emitting diode, and its power consumption is quite low. Just got that one.
And this part of the video, we'll be checking the resistance on this solenoid, which is on a starter motor. This is obviously that activates the dog clutch on the starter motor itself. So there's some windings in there, and we need to test the resistance to make sure that it's working properly and within manufacturer specifications. So we got our multimeter here, and we turn it to resistance, which is ohms. Now we test the actual equipment by making sure there's no breaks in the wires, and then we put the wires together to make sure that it goes to 0, which it will do. So first of all, we're going to put the black, which is the earth, that's called the body itself, which is there, and the red, which is the positive, that goes onto the activation wire, which goes inside of here. And the ring we've got on that one, when it does it, is about 2.6 ohms, which is in my specification. Between 2 to 3 ohms is fine.